Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. Today in this video I will talk a little bit about Unity Asset Store. Again, one of those general Unity videos, so I will not open Unity engine and use it to download anything or use anything from Asset Store. I will just talk about Asset Store in general as some kind of informative video. So Unity Asset Store is a place where you can sell or buy models and other stuff which are called assets in terms of game development and IT in general. So anything you need for your game or project, animation or whatever, it's called assets. So that can be 2D or 3D graphic art, like 3D models or 2D image, 2D sprite. That can also be audio, like music soundtrack or music sound effect, and so on. That can also be animation for 2D or 3D, visual effects, 2D or 3D, code to make your games easier with other people's code, again as a code in total, like complete game. You can buy complete game and just change the other stuff like graphics and so on, or you can buy a little piece of code which you need for your game if you don't know how to code it yourself, like I don't know, maybe spawner or something like that. If you don't know how to code, how to spawn something and so on. So this place is part of the Unity ecosystem in terms of it's also they own, Unity also owns this place, so it's not some kind of independent place where you can sell or buy. It's all under Unity control. So let's see how to find it and use it and what you can use it for. But already we are talking that we have talked about that lots of times. You can see here every week Unity gives some kind of free assets, and I have started talking about it recently. Same as GameMaker and Unreal, they are giving away some kind of free assets or packs from time to time to try to get your attention and to make you install their game engine. So when you go to unity.com products, you have Unity, different options for Unity, Pro, Industry and so on, but there below you have Asset Store, discover art and tools to power your projects. So when you click on it, it will open some kind of, it doesn't have to look like this because those assets change from time to time, and they have also some kind of sales and so on. You can see here sale with red letters, and as I just said, you can pick from 3D art, animations, character, props, vegetation, vehicles, 2D, same add-ons like for machine learning or whatever, audio like music, sound effects. Decentralization, I'm not sure what it is. I think it's about making monetization in game where user can create something on its own and sell it. Essentials, where you can buy asset packs or download tutorial projects, because Unity also have some kind of tutorials, and they then you need some kind of assets to follow through those tutorials. So it's great they are giving those away for free too. Also templates, as we said earlier, you can buy some kind of templates or complete engines like top-down engine here. If you want to go with some kind of top-down game, you don't have to code it for yourself, someone already did that. You just change the artwork and it's almost done, and I think I even have this asset as it was very cheap as a part of some humble bundle or something like that. Sail, VFX, visual effects, particles, shaders, and so on. Good stuff. Another thing which you can use asset store for is that you can just type free here in search box and find some kind of free graphic arts or music or sound effects, visual effects code to start your game, to speed up your game, to make a prototype. So you can see, if you're not a modeler, you don't know how to create trees, you just go with these free when you make a prototype, and then later, if your game is cool, you can just change those, swap those with some better ones when you buy or pay someone to make it for you. Animations, visual effects, all for free. Rigged character pack, I will use some of those probably in my tutorials if I free 2D mega pack. Nice. Yeah. The good thing about some of those also, not only they are free, they are also you can also download them and use them in other game engines. Again, you have to check that when you click on those, you read what you can use them for, what they are copyrighted for, and so on, what are the terms. It's not universal, it changes from time to time from asset to asset. And again, whatever you need here, we can type spawn to see if there is some kind of code for spawning the enemies and see how much it costs. So spawn system, 10 euros. Yeah, popularity, let me go with the price to see which is the, yeah, let me see, spawn controller, 15 euros. Yeah. Again, just example of something. There are free, yeah, around Spawn System Pro. Yeah, this was just a simple basic introduction to Asset Store. And again, if you're going to use Unity, if you're going to try to develop games or projects with it, you will probably go into Unity Asset Store sooner or later. And even if you are a 3D modeler or a music artist and want to make some money, you can sell your assets here. That was it for this video, and I think after this one, next Unity video should be finally something with working in Unity engine actually. Until then, thanks for watching and see you soon.